In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL links for document folders in Hubspot. Whether you're sharing important documents with your team or need to distribute content to a wider audience, knowing how to generate those links efficiently can save you both time and hassle. Let's begin by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. This step might seem basic, but it's important to ensure that you have the correct account access before moving forward, so double check that you're using the right email and password combination. After logging in, you're directed to your Hubspot home. This area serves as your dashboard, offering quick access to various functions and tools that Hubspot provides. We want to focus on your content files today, so glance towards the navigation menu and locate the content option. Clicking on content will expand several submenu items related to your Hubspot content management. Go ahead and select files from this list. This section displays all the files that you've uploaded to Hubspot. If the folder you need hasn't been uploaded yet, you'll want to do that now. There should be a button labeled Upload Files ready for you to use. Click it to select and upload the necessary documents from your local device. Once your files are uploaded, the next step is getting their URLs. Click on the option labeled Details next to the file you want to share. This action will reveal additional information about your file, including its size, type, and the all-important URL. It's crucial at this point to remember that file URLs are what you'll be using for sharing and distribution outside of Hubspot. Now comes the last piece of today's puzzle. Without moving from the Details section, look for the file URL. Once located, click on it and you should be able to copy it directly. This URL can then be shared in emails, embedded onto web pages, or distributed through any channel you choose. It's that simple, and understanding this process opens up a plethora of sharing options for your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed and created URL links for your document folders in Hubspot. This straightforward method ensures you can streamline your workflow and manage your content distribution with ease. If you have further questions or need additional help, HubSpot's support resources and community can be invaluable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.